Well, good afternoon. It's a breezy one out there today, and one where we're trying to see those temperatures go up here in the valley, and they are in some areas, especially in the south. You could see the wind really jostling the camera a little bit at the Dakota Magic Casino down along the state line, and you could see those flags blowing as well in that wind too. So it's a breezy start to the day, or start to the afternoon rather. We're looking at temperatures that are in the 20s to some low 30s. Fargo's at 31. It's 30 in Fergus Falls. Grand Forks is at 28, and most places reporting some mostly sunny skies here as we head into the afternoon. Some of our temperatures down by the Oaks and Ellendale areas, seeing some numbers getting into the low 40s, and that's where our wind has been strongest, is in that James River Valley area. Both Jamestown and Oaks reporting a 30-mile-per-hour gust out of the southeast. A good direction. It's a generally warmer direction, not as good as directly out of the south or southwest, but it is one that also brings in some moisture, and we're looking at the potential for some precipitation later tonight with this. Right now, looking at your black and white version of your satellite map, you could see there's not a lot of cloud cover out there. Where you see the stationary areas of white over in Lakes Country and up by Langdon, that's the snowpack that the satellite's seeing, and the movement is the cloud cover. Down by Watertown, there's some clouds rolling in there, and that's the direction we'll start to see some clouds coming from later today. Here's how things are going to play out in your hour-by-hour planner. So this afternoon, warming things up, heading into the 5 o'clock hour. We'll be into the above freezing range in southeastern North Dakota. The rest of us more into that upper 20 to low 30 degree range for your highs today. We keep that wind going here heading into tonight. And here's a look at your conditions as we head into the 8 o'clock hour. We're talking more clouds developing and moving in. And watch what happens between 8 and the 11 o'clock hour. Some snow showers start to develop, and those will continue. And there may be a bit of a mix going on the warmer side of this too. So this could get a little bit messy here. It shouldn't be too heavy, and it's scattered as well. But with the wind blowing, with the snow coming down, that's going to reduce your visibility. And anywhere where it lands on some of those roads, even a thin coating, could cause some slick spots. And the timing is for that morning drive tomorrow. Early in the morning hours, we'll see some of that snow ongoing. The wind is still pretty strong at that point too, especially in our eastern counties and right along the Red River. It is starting to quiet down out west at that point. And heading through the day, you can see that there's still some lingering areas of some light snow or maybe even some freezing drizzle happening in some spots. So that could lead to, again, some slick roads to watch out for. Heading into the afternoon, we will watch the skies begin to clear. For some of us, we'll get to see the sun before it sets, but most places staying underneath the clouds in northwest Minnesota, especially for your Tuesday. So here's a look at your snowfall potential. This is if it falls all as snow. We're looking at anywhere from a trace in the light blue area, and then up to about an inch. And then in the more solid blue, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches in some bands over into Minnesota, where it'll be falling more likely overnight and into those colder morning hours heading into tomorrow morning. This is kind of the one event before and leading up to Thanksgiving that we'll have to watch out for. For Wednesday and into Thanksgiving Day, we're looking at mid to some upper 30s, which is right around average, if not above average for some of us for your highs. And so Thanksgiving is going to at least be dry, maybe a little breezy. Heading into Friday, we'll see some sunshine, and then this weekend, warming up on Saturday, but that will precede a chance for a few snow showers late Saturday night. All in all, not too bad for the holiday week.
Definitely not as bad as it could have been. I know people in the past have told me it's a lot colder this week usually, so it's nice to know that it's in the 30s and 40s and not as cold as it could have been. Thanks again, Lisa.